Hey, what's going on today? I actually got out to the range for the first time in a while. It looks like it's gonna rain, kind of yucky out here, but it's in the 50s and nobody's out here, so I'm pretty happy about that. But I just got out the Mark IV Hunter. This is the Talo edition. I got the Tandem Cross Halo on it. I put a Volquartsen drop-in trigger, and I changed the firing pin and extractor, and I got a Sig Romeo 5. This is probably my favorite, most accurate 22. But I just want to test some ammo. I put some Redfield targets down there. I'm going to do some 5-shot groups. This one was horrible. I think I shot this one time. I can't remember if I shot it out of my Mark IV, but it was pretty bad. But I want to give this one another chance. And I got some standard velocity, Blazer. And this is real cheap. I wanted to see how this runs through the Mark IV. And I got the Norma Red Box and the this Winchester PowerPoint. It's the limited edition. But actually, I put a spring. I got a weak or spring in here, so it should run this subsonic ammo a lot better. Before, when I had that stiff spring, it wanted to catch up and jam on me some. But anyway, I'm gonna set the tripod up and get started. All right, what I'm gonna do? I actually had 5 already loaded up, and that's the SK Standard Plus. That's probably one of my favorite ammos. I want to put that head to head with the Winchester Super. Obviously, the SK should group a lot better, but who knows? That's why I'm going to test it. And then I got 5 in the red box. I'm going to do the red box against the Arms Core. And then after that, I'll do the Blazer head-to-head with this one. And I'll find another ammo to go head-to-head with this one. But let me set this up. Somebody actually showed up now. I hear some people shooting over there. But all right. I'm going to do the SK first, 5 shot groups, and I'll do the target on the right. Make sure I got it lined up. It's gonna be more over on this one. If I can zoom in just a little bit, there we go. But it's good to finally get out here, man. It's been a while. Move these a little closer to me. Like I said, I got the lighter spring. Hopefully I won't have any malfunctions with it. This gun usually runs pretty awesome. All right, the one on the top right. All right. Uh-oh. I spoke too soon, didn't I? First shot was a misfeed. I might have put the stiff spring back in here. I don't remember. I'll have to check. Yeah, I must have. I put the light spring. I haven't changed it back. Yep. Yeah, that's what I did. Let me see. Let me break it down. Just to make sure. Oh, you got to put the safety on, I think. Yeah. You got to put the safety on. You can't break it down. There we go. This must have been the, yeah, this was the real, I can't remember if this was the light one or the heavy one. Let me look in my bag and, let's see, where'd I put it at? I'm gonna cut this off. I'll be back in just a minute. All right, I put the reduced spring. I'm gonna use the same type of ammo, and hopefully we'll see. All right. Yeah, there's no edits in this one. Okay, this is the one that I had an issue with. I'm gonna load 5 more because I don't remember having any issues with this ammo with it. We'll see. And I'll just continue where I was. All right, I'm gonna do 5 of these. I'll do the same target, and then I'll continue with the Winchester. Hopefully, I won't have any issues. All right, here we go. All right, that's more like it. What I ended up having in there was the heavy spring, and the heavy spring don't work good with the subsonic, like the SK and stuff. It runs the supersonic stuff like this good, but anyway, I got 10 shots on the first one. I'm gonna do 5 on the one right beside it. This is the cheap Winchester. See if it runs it. That's more like it. But this trigger, man, this Volquartsen drop-in trigger is about 2 pounds. It's pretty nice. But let me go in there and see what the groups look like. Like I said, I got 10 shots on the one on the top left with the SK. That should group better. Yeah, the SK is definitely tighter. There's 10 shots with the SK, and I'm shooting from about 35 yards, and I don't have any type of magnification. It's just a red dot. But let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I shot 10, so let's see. Yeah, there's like 3 right there. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, something like that. But anyway, that's 1, 2, about 2.5 inches. And this one, other than that one, that'd been pretty good. But that's your Winchester right there, and there's your SK. So I'm gonna get on here and try 2 of the other types of ammo. Okay. I'm gonna do the red box Norma right here, and then the Armscor. I'm curious to see how the Armscor shoots, but hopefully I can get some 1-inch groups. I'll do the Armscor first. I'll do the bottom left one. All right. Bottom left. Normal red box. Yeah, ever since I switched springs, it's been running pretty good. I probably jinxed myself by saying that, but hopefully. This red box is subsonic too, I believe. Yeah, it's a 1,083 feet per second. All right. Up, you see that? Up, there's one misfeed. Man, wouldn't want to use this for self-defense. I got one more down here. I want to make sure I have two left. At least I can see what it's doing. But yeah, the Norma is really one of the only ones that has an issue with the Mark IV, which I came out here last time and it ran pretty good. So I got two more left. Shit. I don't know about that spring. Actually, I couldn't find my original one. I had to use one of the ones that came with the Volquartsen, but hopefully the other ammo does better. But we'll see about the accuracy. Yep, the arms core. Look at the arms core. That's under an inch group with the cheap arms core. And that's about 3-inch group. So what I might do is I might shoot like 5 or 10 with the arms core to make sure that wasn't a fluke. But man, I'll take those groups all day. Let me do that. I'm gonna load up 10 with the arms core and I'm gonna shoot the one in the middle. All right. I got 10. I loaded up 10 right here. What I might do is I might just shoot 2 5-shot groups with it. I'm gonna shoot the one in the middle on the left target, and I'll shoot the one in the middle on the right target. See if that was a fluke, getting under an inch group. That's pretty good. All right, here we go. Stuff runs good. Runs real good in the Mark IV. Just to see what the groups look like. See if I did as good as I did with the other one. Heck yeah, man, look at that. That's one of the best. Other than that, man, that would have been a 1/4-inch group. And that's no magnification from 35 yards. And that one right there is just a little over an inch. So that arms core, man, that's definitely some good stuff. But I'm gonna try to find a couple. Actually, I wanted to do that gold medal and the standard velocity. I might do those. I don't know where that came from, but anyway, I'll start with these two down here, and I'll do the standard velocity and the gold medal. All right, I'm gonna do the standard velocity first. I've had issues in the past with running it through the Mark IV, but we'll see what it does with the weaker spring. I'm gonna shoot the bottom left on the target on the right. Okay. Good. Here's the gold medal. This stuff looks like it was gathered up off of the floor. It's real dirty looking. The brass is not shiny at all, which I guess if it runs, it don't matter. But let's see how it does. It ran. All right. Other than that first one with that SK, and then I switched the springs, and then for some reason that normal red box didn't do too great. But here's the standard velocity. I'd say right under 2 inches, but the gold medal, that did pretty good. The gold medal did just a little bit over 1 inch. So actually the gold medal and the that's probably my best group right there, and the Armscor were two best ones. What I might do is I might do the gold medal head to head with the Armscor right here, which I know where that one's at, so I'm just gonna shoot this one anyway. All right. We'll do the Armscor first. All right. Gold medal. Yeah, both those ammo, man, they run flawless. For cheap ammo, it's hard to beat. I think it's better than the standard velocity CCI, especially through the Mark IV. Oh man, those groups are freaking awesome. Look at that. There's your Armscor. Look at that, man. That's under 1 inch, or right at 1 inch. That one's definitely under 1 inch. Wow, that's probably some of the best results I've gotten, because I'll show you. I'm using a Sig Romeo 5. It's from 35 yards. I mean, if I moved on up to like 10 or 20, man, I could definitely see, like, you can see there's no magnification at all. You can't even see the red dot. But what I might do, I might set the tripod down here and shoot some still. This one right here, man, is tough. I'm gonna see if I can clear it. I've shot these before, but I think this one's like 2.5, or let me see. That's like 2 inches, then 1.75 inches or something. But this one, man, it's hard to hit that one. But I might load up some Armscor, since that was one of the more accurate ones, and see if I can clear them, and then I'll probably wrap it up. All right, scooted the tripod up and zoomed in so you can see them. I got 2 10-round mags loaded with the Armscor, and let's see, there's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So see if I can get 8 out of 8, but I definitely have enough loaded to clear it. But let's see how I can do. All right, I'm gonna go from left to right. I'm gonna start with the biggest one first, obviously. Here we go. see if I can do it. Got it. Man, that's hard. I didn't even do it. Oh well. I get my my Christensen arms or my 1022 with a scope. I might try that before I leave. But yeah, man, for I paid like $4, $4 or $5 a box. It ran flawless, and this is some good stuff, which I think I paid. I think this was overpriced. I think that's why I was upset. But I did get it during the shortage pretty much. They were overcharged, and I think I paid like $8 or $9. And I wasn't happy. For some reason, it did not shoot good the first time, which it shot good today. But what I might do before I leave, I might get my Ruger 1022. I got it custom built. But I'll bring it over here and see if I can clear those, without missing. Then I'll probably wrap it up. All right, I hung up an IBS target down there. And I want to see if it's zeroed. I got my my Ruger 1022 that I built. I put a Hogue stock on it. I got a tandem cross drop-in trigger, tandem cross bolt, and I got a Volquartsen carbon fiber. And I think that's a Harris bipod and a Vortex Diamond Tactical optic on there. But I'm going to be shooting some, I got some mini mags. I got the Varmint and the Target, and I'm gonna shoot 2 groups. I got 10 rounds in each one. I'm gonna shoot 2 groups of 5 to see how tight it's grouping and make sure I get it zeroed. And then I'm gonna put the tripod down there and I'm gonna see if I can clear that. And then I'll probably wrap it up. But let me set the tripod up. All right. I haven't shot this gun in a while. I'm gonna do the varmint first. Like I said, I don't even know if this one's zeroed or not. We'll find out. I think you have to have it locked back, and then you gotta put it in here for something. There we go. All right, I'm gonna do the one on top left and do 5-shot groups and see how tight I can get with it. Okay, I'll show you where it went real quick, but I think I'm gonna adjust it just a notch. I'll show you here where it's shooting. A tad bit low and just a tad bit to the right. So I'm gonna go about 2 clicks to the left and 2 clicks up, and see if it's zeroed, and then I'll go shoot the target. That should be good though. I mean, I'm only shooting from 35 yards. Normally I shoot from like 50. All right. I was gonna go to the left 2 and up. Up 2. And to the left 2. All right, that should do it. gonna shoot the one right beside it. That's it. This thing don't play around, man. From 35 yards, you could probably shoot the nuts off a gnat. Okay, here's the target. I'm gonna do 2 5-round groups with it. Hopefully this does just as good. We'll see. That was off a little bit. All right. I shouldn't have any problem at all clearing that one. When you see these groups are pretty awesome. Okay, I adjusted it 2 up right here. That's all over it. So definitely zeroed. But like I said, that one was off a little bit compared to the rest. But man, it's drilling the middle. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set the tripod up close and I'm gonna see if I can clear it with 10 rounds. All right, I loaded 10 rounds with the varmint. I think the varmint's a little bit more accurate than the target, but I'm gonna go from left to right, biggest to smallest. All right, here we go. Yeah, I think I could clear that bad boy from 50 yards pretty easily. It's a whole lot different with that vortex on there, but anyway, I might wrap it up. I don't know. I don't know if I'm gonna shoot this or not, but probably wrap the video up. But there's, like I said, it's my 10-22 semi-auto. That's a sweet shooting gun. I love it. It's probably one of my favorites. I do like the Christensen Arms Ranger, but I don't know, man. Something about the semi-automatic's pretty sweet. But anyway, there you have it. I would say this stuff works great out of that rifle, but not so much out of the Mark IV. I would say these, if you got a Mark IV, these budget, which these should be cheaper now, but that stuff's good ammo. I'm trying to think who makes Arms Core. It might be CCI, I'm not sure. But anyway, guys, appreciate y'all watching. Hope y'all have a good one later on.